Join me as I dive into a challenge to find out which programming language is truly the best for beginners, JavaScript or Python. Did you know JavaScript powers over 95% of all websites? It's practically everywhere on the internet. But is JavaScript the best first language for aspiring coders? Or should you start with Python instead? Let's dive in. Welcome to this quick guide on choosing your first programming language. Today, we're comparing two of the most popular and beginner-friendly options in the tech world, JavaScript and Python. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer idea of which one fits your goals best. For beginners, picking the right language can be overwhelming. You might hear that JavaScript is essential because it's the backbone of web development, letting you build interactive websites and front-end features. Others swear by Python, praising its clean syntax, versatility in data science, and automation. The real question is, where should you begin when everything seems useful? In this section, we'll explore the core challenges beginners face, like balancing difficulty, project interests, and community support, so you can make an informed decision. Let's talk about each language's strengths and weaknesses. JavaScript strengths: ubiquitous in web development, huge job market, runs directly in the browser, extensive community. Weaknesses: can be tricky for absolute beginners due to quirks in syntax and asynchronicity. Python strengths: very readable, great for beginners, thriving in data science, machine learning, and scripting. Weaknesses: not as dominant on the front end of web development, can be slower than some languages for high-performance tasks. Both have massive communities and tons of resources, making it easier than ever to find tutorials, forums, and mentorship. So, which language should you learn first? If you're aiming for a career in web development, especially front-end work, JavaScript is non-negotiable. It's everywhere on the web. If your interests lean towards data science, AI, or simple scripting, Python might be your best bet due to its straightforward syntax and rich libraries. But here's the key insight. Both languages are beginner-friendly, widely used, and offer strong community support. Ultimately, your personal interests and project goals should guide your decision. In summary, JavaScript excels in front-end web development, while Python shines in data-centric and automation projects. Both are excellent choices for a first language, thanks to large communities, ample learning resources, and strong industry demand. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you started with JavaScript, Python, or both? Let us know in the comments below. If you're hungry for more programming tips, make sure to check out my other videos on coding fundamentals. Happy learning!